Hi, I'm Liz, and this is how to put handles on your kitchen cabinets. Let's get into it. Installing handles is simple. With a few tools, you can get a professional look. To ensure you get a clean finish, add tape over the areas you intend to drill into. To install handles on cabinet doors, grab a handle drilling template. Keep the template vertically aligned for doors and horizontally aligned for drawers. Hold it level with the opening side of the panel and the adjacent corner. Once you're happy with the position, mark the centre points for your handle screws through the template onto the masking tape. Use a 4.5mm drill bit to drill straight through the front of the panel at each marked spot. Keep in mind the screws provided in your handle kit are universal, so you might need to cut them down to length before installing. Don't forget to double check the screw length for drawers. They need to pass through both the drawer front and the drawer box. When you're done, remove the masking tape and any protective plastic from the surface. Fit your handles using a screwdriver, not a drill. This helps avoid over-tightening, which could damage the door or strip the screws. And that's it. If you liked this video, check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help tackle your next project with confidence.